Lovelies. Today I'll be showing you how to delete old emails in Gmail. I'll be showing two methods on how to do this. The first method is to automatically delete old emails from your Gmail. You open your Gmail account, then you click on the gear icon at the side. Now you click on see all settings. Once it's open, you go over to filters and blocked addresses. You click on it. Now, you click on create a new filter. Type in the word older than 90 days. Now you click on create filter. Select an action to happen to emails older than 90 days. Click on delete it. Delete it. Then you click on create filter. Another way to do this is to click on the more icon at the left hand side of your screen. Now you select all mail. So these are all your mails. So you go to and you select 6 months, older than 6 months. If you can't find it here, select the advanced search. Then you create a filter older than 6 months. Create filter, then you select the deleted action and you click on create filter. Good. So that's it, guys. I've successfully deleted old mails in your Gmail. If you like this video and would love to get more of this, like and subscribe for more tips. Bye, guys.